The next unboxing is another fidget spinner. This one is the Capsule. So this one kind of looks quite funky and you can do more than one thing with it. Let's get it open. This is the packaging it comes in. See if I can do this without injury. So nothing else in the packet. Metal capsule, stone wash, not suitable for children, small parts, blah, 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 16 years old and above. So let's see if we can get him open. Get the actual toy out. It's a bit harder doing this with the camera as well. There we go, got our little pouch. That feels quite nice. That's sort of a nicer quality pouch than some of the other fidget toys. In a sort of medium light grey. This is the capsule itself. So it's kind of, I expect it to be big. It's probably bigger than I thought it would be. I'd quite like it if it was chrome, to be fair. This is kind of, what do they call it? They called it stone washed. So basically sort of roughed around the edges. What does it say there? There's Mag-U, that's the brand, Mag-U, and the idea is you put it apart, there's some little magnets, and then you can spin it. I think I paid about $20 for this one as well, and you sort of, I don't know, you just fidget and spin it. Is that it? It's got a lovely weight to it. The spinning is quite nice. Feels a bit rough when you do that. There's a bit of friction in there, like it's not smooth. Little hole at one end, no idea what that's for. I think it's to come apart. Am I going to break it or bring it apart? Maybe I should watch some of the other videos. I think you can screw it or unscrew it. There's a way of opening it up, maybe to change the magnets. But when you twist it, it pops up, so the magnets probably go negative, 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 or positive, positive. Yeah, it's all right. What am I expecting from these? I don't know. I'm expecting to be wowed, and I'm not really wowed, but I think I have to put this one in my pocket as well as the other fidget spinners, and just get them out and see how I like to fidget with them. It feels quite nice. It feels like it needs to be a bit longer. It feels like I need a bit more to grab onto. Maybe I need to go and buy some other fidget spinners. Oh, there we go. That's it unrolling. So I noticed some people put some Loctite on there. And what's going on there? Well, I don't know what the purpose of that is. Maybe you can kind of take it off and service it. Oh look, that's the bearing. $20. I don't know. I mean, like fair value. I'd rather pay less. I'd rather it did more. Anyway, there you go. That's the Mag-U Capsule fidget thingy toy. Fidget spinner, fidget magnetic. That's it.